Okay, 0 to 100 time. Turbo. Tekan full. 3000 RPM, kicks in.哟，大家好，又是 Adam， 我是一个车评，只是 POV， 欢迎回到我的频道，欢迎回到来 POV 跟丁软试驾系列啦。哎呀，这个影片又是只有 Part 1呢 ，Brodua Beza。那我知道我这个频道里面已经拍过很多次 Brodua Beza 了，有试过原装的，有试过改装的，但是 Turbo 的好像没有见过吧？这辆车是一个 Sleeper， 怎么说呢？因为它的样子很原装，可是没有人知道它里面多了一粒蜗牛，是吧？等一下我们去看看这辆车。在我们看这辆车之前呢，我要先跟大家介绍一位车主，他叫 Nash。Hi,
morning.
他是一个混血儿 mix 啊 ，so maybe we'll mix some English in this video. You have turbo for how long already?
I can safely say about 4 months.
Do you face any problem?
No, there's no problem so far. Long distance, short distance, we went any corner in KL, still okay.
How much do you spend on this one turbo?
About 9,000 actually.
Wow, 9,000. We'll do some more around video of your car, but before this video start 啊，还没有订阅的朋友们呢，按下订阅，看我更新影片的时候，你们才可以及时收到通知啦。话不多说 ，Let's go. What makes you think of I want to put on turbo?
Because I feel like Beza is just not an ordinary car. Like people always say Beza is for Grab, Beza is fuel economy car only, but I want to prove them wrong. Beza is not just car for people, it's for Grab only. Beza also can play performance.
But I see a lot of people, they do supercharge or turbocharge on the Beza.
I see.
But Saga not so much lah. I see Saga a lot of people driving like stock only, but Beza they do sleeper. 首先我们来看一下这外观呢，其实是很原装的车。如果以外观来说 ，Gear Up Body Kit 啊 ，Ducktail Spoiler， 引擎盖还有 Side Mirror 都是 Carbon Forged Wrap，T347 15寸 AOW 的，然后轮胎是用着 Michelin XM2 Plus 185 55R 15寸，小小的 Mini 6 Sport 它是来自于 Nassin 的 K22， 然后盘是286mm 的。避震器方面是用着 Pro Expert Heavy Duty Absorber， 它是配上了原装的 Spring， 还没有换 Adjustable 哈。Ultra Racing Bar Stage 1，Exhaust 方面呢是 1.6 寸的白冰 ，Max Racing 的 Center Bullet Primus X-Flow Muffler。内饰方面呢，它是有 wrap 过它的 steering， 改了一些音响，还有一些 hum sub 灯这样子啦。我们来打开引擎盖来看一下这辆车子。哦 ，hot engine 啊，very hot engine。这辆车的引擎是一具1.3公升的自然吸气的4缸引擎，原装可以产生94匹马力，配搭着4速的自排变速箱。可是呢，你说94匹马力在轮上大概才70匹马力的。So on wheel the stock is about 70 horsepower, right?
Yes, right now it's about 135 horsepower.
Oh, how about the top?
The top is 175.
But the internal of the engine still stock, right? Lightweight pulley, 2ZI injector, 1800cc injector, right? I saw a lot of Myvis, they like to use this injector. K20 plug coil, Born turbo, VF38 is from Subaru EJ20, 38mm wastegate, G-Ready blow-off valve, intercooler, fuel regulator, custom fuel return line, double layer radiator, gearbox oil cooler, management KKT compact, boost about 0.5, can produce 135 horsepower on the wheel. 介绍就到这了，我们等一下看一下上车的表现怎么样啦。Let's go. Okay. 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 哇，1.3 turbo， 它是要在3500转，你看那个 boost 来了啊，所以在3500转以下的时候呢，就好像一个普通车这样子啦。So it drives like a normal car 啊。然后车主有讲它的那个平均油耗哦，可以拿到11.4 km per liter， 所以还是 Born turbo 哦，只要你不要一直开 turbo， 它还是不会是很吃油的，还是 OK 的哈。OK， 所以我们这台车就是3号、2号档、3号、2号档这样子去了哈，很爽一下而已。它的 turbo shock skate memang short circuit.
Yeah, correct.
A lot of powers lah. But one thing only lah, if 5-speed manual lagi shock.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. 哇，所以这辆车还是high com 哦，没有 low com lower com，unless 你换那个 internal。哦，a lot of powers。2005 RPM, come on. Đây车还签一个 adjustable， 对吧 ？adjustable 这辆车的 weight transfer 还 OK 的，因为它的车倾会没有这样陡。啊，现在还是 original spring 啦 ，absorber 是 heavy duty。You have to keep above 300,000 500,000 RPM, right? To get the power direct.
The power, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, beza, a lot of beza memang. I like the brake lah. Damn good the brake.
Yeah. Don't really need the rear change. Don't change the rear.
Ada KKT bro, good lah. 后面那辆的别照是我们的朋友来的，那时候做他有 KKT， 也是不错。但没有 turbo 啦 ，we got turbo，a lot of pickup。我这辆车我不敢踩很猛啦，因为它还没有做过 internal 的东西，我是比较怕一点，所以还是顺踩会比较好。如果做过 internal， 我还有一点点少许的放进去 lower com 更耐的 piston 啊 gasket 啊这样子。哎呀，Hello。它有一个尴尬的状势，就是我不能 lock 在1号档，之后它会5500就跟你升档的时候哦，它就少于那个 boost 的时候啊，1号档会比较尴尬。I really like the Westgate sound. Wow, nice. Oh, hello. See, even truck also they do racing line. Yeah lah. See, good. Fender a bit lah. Có điểm more Fender 的状况哈 ，so 不能太快。Is that normal like
The which one?
that
The pop lag sound. Yeah, it's in the tune. Anti-lag.
Anti-lag. My Taka is like they give power a little bit, then don't give anymore. Oh, like. totally the stock. But I think a lot of Beza owners, they like to cucuk you belakang already. Oh, want to play? But I have turbo. They don't know. Slipper, man. Betul-betul slipper.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Wow, you can U-turn here, meh? Cannot,
Wow.
In front there got roundabout for you to U-turn, then you U-turn right here. What the? Macam tak ada bus already, oh. Why ah? How come ah?
I don't know. Oh, there?
Oh, 4,000 RPM. 4,000. Not even 4,000 RPM. Okay. I thought, how come not much boost ah? Change to first gear already. I can hear the sound. What happened, bro? I don't dare to step full
Yeah.
because I feel the power macam wanna come, the boost wanna come, they suddenly don't want come. Why ah? You help also accelerate a bit lah.
Yeah.
Turbo memang turbo, but you have to wait a while. It doesn't like an A straight away you press, oh the power come already.
The power come already.
Need to wait lah. This is turbo. Supercharged, another thing. Yeah lah, supercharged, no lag.车要是4前转，就是那个沥水就爽了，你就 feel 到那个沥水了。哦，哪一个体验不错？在市区驾驶的话，这辆车爽哦。 山路也许还不是完美啊，因为它还没有做完那些车脚 setting 啦。如果是 adjustable， so wanna to get bro?
Of course, bro.
Wanna more something? Want some more?
Buat some more.
Adjustable kasih on bagi seat right? All money flies.
Yeah.
Wow, if you pass the main thing like it show on,
Yeah.
But if you bought on turbo, it doesn't have any engine check lights, right? Because of the ECU thing.
Yeah. There's no any check light.
Mostly I saw a lot of people they bought on turbo, they sure got check lights.
I see. But for
do
me,
you think?
okay lah. No check light, no nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, they did a good job lah for me.
I don't have boost. I need boost, man. You need to keep the momentum lah. If you memang kaki tekan
Yeah.
kau can keep the momentum on. Hey, Zaga. Come on, I need power. I need boost. I know you can easily keep the RPM. All the way until 6,000. How? Is it because of the Maxi ECU?
Yeah. it's the-
All the way to 3,000. I Maxi ECU pula, KKT, sorry. How come ah?
It's the tuning.
Wow. Hey, don't give first gear. Come on, first gear. Hey, where's your friend? Where's
Huh?
Putra?
On the right. On the right.
Oh, I don't get any power. Why ah?
So you.
How come ah? How come ah? What's the problem, bro?
Oh, interesting. This is the first time.
You don't give first gear, but don't have any much power. Okay, I will stop. Reset here and check what's the problem. Okay? How? Okay. Not sure what's the problem.那我们的人呢，就停在了蓬莱新境的外面。其实这辆车没有问题的 ，throttle body talk 出来了问题。因为现在engine很热了，不 on turbo 之后，所以我们等一下再把那喉接回去，我们就继续上山下山了的。所以应该就到这边了啦。为什么不拍太多？因为已经够了啦，我们差不多到顶了，所以我就把这个视频拍到这里。非常感谢 Nash，Thank you very much，Putra，Thank you very much，See you in the next video，See you，See you，Thank you。记得还没关注的朋友们，记得等一下关注，然后我们下一个影片再见啦，拜拜。